So nice. That's so nice. I love that little dog. So cute. I hope he's okay. Hope he's in a good place now at a nice home with lots of food. Lots and lots of food and pets. Oh, that's nice, man. Rescue dog videos really just, they hit me.
Blakey, Blakey, Blakey.
That's how you know he's a good teacher, man.
Aww. There's the card, Blakey. There's the
That's so cute. That's so cute. Aww. They're so stoked. Like, they're just so excited to be doing that nice thing for him. Like, that's how you know he's a freaking awesome teacher. That's so sick. I love that. Aw. Man, he probably went home and felt so good that day. Not because of the shoes, because like, that's just, wow. Wow, this is really setting my day off on a good note. I'm liking this video so far.
No, we're taking a break.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
He's like, please. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Please, like my Uber driver just like gets gas. My Uber driver never saves ducklings. That's so cute. Wow, 5 stars for sure. No problem. Oh my gosh, kids are so cute sometimes. Aww. Sometimes they're absolute monsters, but there are moments when they're just really good people. That's so cute and nice. What a thoughtful kid, man. Hope he got extra candy. Whole pillowcase full.
We are having taco night. So if you like to eat, you just come over.
Oh my God, protect this woman at all costs.
And you're welcome to get it. You hear me? I called it, you didn't answer because I think you're busy. But anyway, we are having taco night. Good night. Goodbye.
What a sweet little angel. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my, I want to go over for taco night at her house. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. Wow, that would be such a nice message, even if you were like away and you just had to see it on your phone. What a sweet message. That's so nice. I really hope that they had a taco night together at some point, even if it wasn't tonight, just someday. That's so cute. What the heck?
What you doing for Christmas? Christmas? I mean, I gotta get to Thanksgiving first. I'm going to give out turkeys back in the hood. I'm with you. You want me to come?
That's so nice. What the heck?
You will? I appreciate it though, big dog. Hang on. But I'm gonna be in the hood giving out turkeys, trying to restore my community.
That's so cute. You will? Man, handing out turkeys? That's really nice. That's cool. What are you doing for Christmas? He's like, I gotta get through Thanksgiving first. That's so true. In Canada, we have Thanksgiving like a month before the American Thanksgiving. The American Thanksgiving is like less than a month before Christmas. You guys got a lot of holidays going on. Boom, 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 right back to back. Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas. Dang, you guys gotta eat a lot of turkey in 1 month. Oh, dang. Oh, that's so funny. I liked that video. That was nice. Just football players giving back to the community.
I want to wish you happy birthday.
I want you to give me your hand.
That's really cool. Wow, that's really cool. That's nice.
Freaking way.
Cool.
They did not.
That's really cool.
You guys are amazing.
Aw.
It's insane.
That's just a nice video. Like, that's really all I can say about that. That's just nice. Man, what restaurant is that? They deserve the recognition as well. That's crazy. Oh, cool. That's nice. I like seeing how happy she is. That's fucking sweet. Oh, here's your baby back. Oh. Oh. Come here, little guy. What the heck? That's so nice. Wow. This is so cute. This is so cute. Hold on. Oh. I want to hug the baby sloth too. That's so cute. Sloths are so weird. That's so cute. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I can't. Can we do videos like this all the time? Just snuggled up, back safe with their mom. Oh, we love it. We love to see it. Just some sloth content. We should do a whole sloth video. I got Arby's.
No, I'm not who you're expecting, but your driver got arrested for things he had to take care of.
Oh my gosh. What would you even do? You wouldn't even know what to do. That's so funny.
So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you. Thank you. Take care. Thanks.
That's really nice of him to finish the order. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I wonder what the driver got arrested for. Holy smokes. Man, hope she gave him a tip. That's really funny and awkward, but amazing. Wow, good for him. Thank God they had a Ring doorbell or else no one would believe it.
Calma, tira. Vá. Isso. Oi, que
Oh. Oh, the biggest hug ever. That's so cute. They saved this little thing. I don't even know what this animal is. But they saved it. Oh man, we should do a whole video of like animals getting saved. I think that'd be nice. Let me know if you want to see that, okay? Maybe we can make it happen. Who knows? Guys, that's it. That's all the clips we have for today. I got that warm, fuzzy feeling. I hope that you do too. That would be great if we're both feeling warm and fuzzy right now. Let me know down below in the comments something that you're looking forward to in the next little bit. Okay? Let's share some stuff that we're excited for. All right? I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Dang, let's go. Random acts of kindness. We love it.